Introduce myself. My name is Raihan Sensini. Number NPM 24411081. Class of MNG 24C. I will here explain one of the material from the introduction to management is evolution of management in Samsung company. What is Samsung Company? Samsung Company is a multinational conglomerate founded in 1938 by Lee Byung-chul in Daegu, Seoul, Korea. Initially, Samsung was engaged in trading a wide variety of goods, including dried fish, fruit, and textiles. Slowly, the company developed into a large conglomerate that ventured into various industries such as food processing, textile, insurance, and security. In 1969, Samsung Electronics was founded, marking the company's first step in the electronic industry. The first product manufactured by Samsung Electronics was a black and white television in the 1970. The company went on to rapidly develop into a leading electronic manufacturer in the South Korea, producing variety of innovative products such as VCRs, microwave, and mobile phone. Today, Samsung is recognized as a manufacturer of various electronic products, including smartphone, tablet, television, semiconductor, and home appliances. The company employs millions of people worldwide and contributes to various pl- pl- philanthropies and the social activities. Samsung is also one of the most valuable companies in the world, with, with significant market capi- capitalization and extensive influence in the global technology industry. Who is founder of Samsung Company? The founder of the Samsung Company is Lee Byung-chul. He founded a trading company that later evolved into a multinational conglomerate known as the Samsung Group. Lee Byung-chul was founded in 1938 in Daegu, South Korea, and, initially engaged in trading dried fish, vegetable, and fruit to China. Lee Byung-chul Profile. Lee Byung-chul, 12 Februari 1910 hingga 19 November 1987, was the founder of Samsung Group, one of the largest conglomerate in South Korea. Born in Uryong, South Gyeongsang, he came from a wealthy landowning family and studied at Waseda University, Tokyo. Although he did not complete his study in 1938, Lee founded a trading company called Samsung Sangho, which initially sold fish and vegetables to China. After the Korean War, he, is, he established the first sugar factory in South Korea and later expanded the business into various sectors, including textile and electronics. Lee Byung-chul passed away in 1987, but his legacy lives on through Samsung innovation and success. CEO profile of Samsung Company now is Han Jong-hae, is an important figure in the technology industry, especially in Samsung Electronics. Her is her profile, name and position name. Han Jong-hae, position Vice Chairman and CEO of Samsung Electronics, and Head of Digital Transformation or DX division of Samsung Electronics. The evolution of Samsung Company from 1969 to now. 1969 hingga 1979, the establishment and growth of the company into a total consumer electronic provider. Not long after its founding in 1969, Samsung Electronics quickly became of the leading manufacturers in South Korea. In initial growth was due to the fact that the dominant consumer electronic industry was just beginning to take off, and the company began exporting in product. During this time, Samsung also acquired Korea Semiconductor, the first wafer processing company established in Korea, which paved the way for Samsung to become a leader in semiconductor manufacturing. Establishing and develop the following tools. 1969, 1. Establishes Samsung Electronics Co. Ltd. Number 2. Established Samsung Sanyo Electric Co. Ltd. A joint venture with Sanyo. 1970, started producing black and white TV model P3202. 1971, started exporting black and white TV to Panama to the global market, starting with Panama. 1974, number 1, Samsung Sanyo Electric Co. Ltd. changed its name to Samsung Electric Co. Ltd. and of joint venture. Number 2, acquired 50% of the share of Korea Semiconductor Co. Ltd. Number 3, started manufacture was the machine, refrigerator, and air conductor, which laid the foundation of the Samsung to become a total consumer electronic company enter our Myanmar. 1980 hingga 1987, become a high-tech company in the 1980. Samsung established a new corporate identity focused securing in own technology, started R&D, expanding in semiconductor business into the FSLA, and operating the telecommunication business. South Korea Telecommunication Company is also launched its first global product is subsidiary in Portugal and increased its overseas sales subsidiaries to establish itself as global company. 1988 hingga 1907, Samsung became of the top three electronic company in the world the late 1990. Samsung Electric successful weather in the Asia financial crisis to return commit to the innovation and by activity responding to the rapid change brought about the era of digital content led by its quality first approach. The company continues to strive to competitiveness of the sense of brand. The company also continue to expand its component and the product portfolio, effectively activing is one place in the global and NI, NAND first market in 2022 and the and TV market is 2006 by 2007 with sales of $1,000 billion. Samsung had established itself as one of the top three consumer electronic company in the world. 1998 hingga 2007, Samsung become of the top three electronic company in the world in late 1990. Samsung Electronics successful with Asian financial crisis to 2008 hingga 2017, becoming the world electronic company committed to creative and the innovation and aftermath of the global financial crisis. The electronic or the cultural creativity and autonomy and organization structure and allow each business division to be many independent to thrive during coding period. Samsung remained resilient and string hit in the competitive with software compete and the patent management with opening up new growth engine to open innovation through a creative MNES in 2010. Atomy became the world's largest electronic company in the term of sales, making it a center of the global electronic industry. 2008 and now embracing new challenge of the maintain of legacy after proceeding recording sales and operating profit the previous year. Samsung Electronics began to see new challenge, new script in 50 tahun anniversary in 2019. Since then, Samsung has continued to strive to become now. I am the system semiconductor in industry while driving growth in areas such as AI and 5G. The company continues in innovation and remaining a world leading in memory, semiconductor, TV, and smartphone in 2019. Samsung also started its new GCR vision Together for Tomorrow, enabling people. This strategy outlined the company commitment as a global corporate citizen, explaining how Samsung speaks about social responsibility and the effort the company will adopt for the next culture and beyond. With Samsung can be big electronic company in the era other electronic brand now. Samsung was able to become a major electronic company in the era of other electronic brand for several strategies and innovation reasons. Her some of the factory contributes to in the success. Number one, electronic innovation, OLED and KLED. Samsung has developed high innovation OLED and KLED technology, especially in the film and television. The product offer excellent picture quality and have become a top choice for many consumer semiconductor. Samsung is also one of the largest semiconductor manufacturer in the world, with significant market dominance of NAND flash memory. Number two, market strategy. Number one atau E, television market. Samsung has lead the global television market for 18 consecutive year with significant market share of especially the premium TV category. Smartphone market, Samsung is also on the global smartphone market leader with a highly popular Galaxy S product. Number three, product innovation, AI, and advanced technology. Samsung continue to drive the development of advanced technologies such as AS, IoT, and 5G. It's a product such as the AI Screen TV showcase at GAS 2024 demonstrates Samsung ability to integrate advanced technologies into consumer product. When the combination of technological innovation, the right market strategy, and adaptability, Samsung is able to become of the large electronic company in the world. Thank you very much. See you the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.